Moving on now, the electoral battle between the BJP and the BJD is also escalating in the state of Odisha. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Sharma is the latest to have hit out at the BJD Neta, VK Pandian, who's also the closest aide of the Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. In fact, Sharma has now alleged that Pandian has captured Naveen Patnaik and that the Chief Minister is not able to take decisions for himself.
ये चुनाव उड़ीसा का अस्मिता का चुनाव है। मैं भी एक प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, लेकिन मैं तो अकेला आया हूँ। मैं अकेला बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं लोगों से मिल सकता हूँ, लोग मुझसे मिल सकता है, जैसे आप लोगों से मैं अभी मिल रहा हूँ। लेकिन जो उड़ीसा का मुख्यमंत्री है वो अकेला किसी को मिल नहीं सकता है, अकेला लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकता है और हर समय उनका साथ पंडियान रहते हैं। हमें मालूम करना पड़ेगा कि नवीन बाबू खुद पंडियान का साथ रहता है या पंडियान कुछ ऐसा खेल खेला है जिसका कारण नवीन बाबू पंडियान का जो एक ग्रीब है उनसे बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं। मेरा तो मानना है कोई हाई कोर्ट का जज नवीन बाबू से अकेला बात करना चाहिए। क्या वो खुश है, क्या वो ठीक ठाक है?
Arun Dhanda joins us for the latest on this. And Arun, that's the same thing that I had gauged from the ground when I was in Odisha. The opposition has been consistently maintaining that Naveen Patnaik is inaccessible. He's someone who's being allegedly controlled by his closest aide, VK Pandian. And it's interesting how the opposition BJP in the state Odisha is not letting go of this, hitting out on all fronts as Odisha prepares itself to go for vote.
Well, that's right. BJP is going full throttle in Odisha, be it is Prime Minister Modi or Home Minister Amit Shah. Now we are hearing Himanta Biswa Sarma, Assam Chief Minister, coming up with a different argument. But essentially, the foundation of their argument is that it's VK Pandian who's actually taking all the decisions. He's somebody who's a close aide of Naveen Patnaik there. And the point which BJP is raising is that he's an outsider. And therefore, they are talking about the Odia pride. What about the Odia pride? If somebody comes from Tamil Nadu and he becomes the chief minister, he becomes the powerful, then how would the Odisha people, like it? So therefore, BJP is giving that counter argument that we will give our own chief minister, our own state chief minister, Odia, who will hold the Odia pride high, and therefore, VK Pandian is not a suitable candidate for the Odisha. So this has been the argument of BJP, and of course we are in the middle of the election. Both Assembly and Lok Sabha elections are simultaneously going to polls in Odisha, and therefore it's a very critical juncture for BJP as well, not only to get a good number of Lok Sabha seats, but also to get good numbers in Assembly.
Oh yes, it's a high-stakes battle in the state of Odisha. It's a contest between the BJP and the BJD, with both hitting out at each other. The BJP maintaining that Odisha Asmita is under threat. Its language, its self-respect, everything is in danger. And also hitting out in particular at VK Pandian, saying that the entire Odisha governance system has been outsourced to bureaucrats. In some other news, and shifting focus to West Bengal.